In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use auto layout in Figma. We'll start at figma.com. Once you're in your workspace, open the design file you want to work on. This takes you into the canvas where your frames and shapes live. Inside the file, locate the 4 squares you want to arrange. Use the selection tool to highlight them all. You can drag a marquee around them or click each one while holding Shift to add it to your selection. Make sure all 4 are selected so they'll be treated as a single group in the next step. With those 4 items selected, press Shift+A on your keyboard. This converts the selection into an auto layout frame. You'll see a new parent frame around your squares, and on the right-hand panel, the auto layout controls become available. Auto layout is powerful because it keeps spacing, order, and alignment consistent as you add, remove, or resize items. Next, choose the flow for your layout. In the auto layout section, pick the direction that suits your design. Horizontal if you want the squares side by side, or vertical if you want them stacked. You can change this at any time and the content will reflow automatically. While you're here, adjust the gap between items to fine-tune spacing and set padding if you want extra breathing room inside the frame. Alignment options let you center, left align, or distribute your squares evenly. If you need to reorder them, just drag an item up or down in the layers panel or across the canvas. Auto layout will snap everything back into place. A few tips to keep things smooth. In the size section, try hug contents if you want the frame to shrink to fit the squares, or fixed if you want a set width or height. If the squares themselves should expand to fill space, set them to fill in the auto layout constraints. And when duplicating an item inside the frame, use Option or Alt drag to keep spacing consistent. For responsive behavior, try resizing the parent frame. Auto layout maintains the gaps and alignment, so your layout adapts without manual nudging. That's it. You went to Figma, opened your project, selected the 4 squares, turned them into an auto layout with Shift+A, and set the flow to horizontal or vertical. From here, you can keep tweaking, spacing, and alignment, confident that your layout will stay neat and responsive as your design evolves.